Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set up the personal hotspot in this device. For this, simply go to settings, tap on the option connections. So here you can see the option mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on this one. So the first option you can see mobile hotspot. First of all we need to enable this option. So let me turn on this one. Yeah, after this one tap on the option mobile hotspot. So here we can customize the mobile hotspot name and the password also. Okay, so here you can see the mobile hotspot name. So here I am going to edit the name, just only Galaxy S25 Plus, and you can see the password. If you want to change this password, you can successfully change this one. So here I am going to change the password. Yeah. Okay, so after give all the customization, tap on save. Yeah, now I am going to try to connect the Wi-Fi on this device. So in this device I am going to go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi. First of all turn on this one. So here you can see the name, you can see here Galaxy S25 Plus. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter the password. Okay, after this one tap on join on the top right side. You can see that personal hotspot is connected to this device. You can see one device connected. So simply in this way we can set up the personal hotspot in this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.